What you see in my hands are coconut shell briskets. They are charcoals made from coconut shell waste. Coconut waste. Okay. And it hasn't been easy. After years of experiment, and it all started with a friend at YMCA Center Kumasi, regional office. He is a doctor. He's a doctor, a medical doctor, of course. And he told me about this coconut charcoal powder. So I started with coconut charcoal powder. I using the brute or the crude method. I will get the burn the waste into charcoal and then use the traditional method, the pestle and the mortar. So I'll pound it into powder. Then I will sieve it to get that smooth powder he wanted. And you know, Ghanaians, the price was not good. And even sometimes I will send the powder to him and I will not get any peswa from it. But I never regretted doing it. So I continued doing it until I got some waste or some powder left. Then I went to this YouTube page to ask a question there. How do I make charcoal the traditional way? So I tried it with a barrel and some dry wood. It worked. So I said, why don't I use the dried coconut shell to try it if it will work? I did it and it worked. And so I went again to the internet, the YouTube page, to ask how do I make briskets out of charcoal. And the technology was just simple and amazing. So I followed it. And this is the end product. Briskets. You can use it. It's a normal charcoal briskets, but this one is made out of coconut shell. That is it. Now from here, I'm using the traditional method. So what I need now is to expand. If I want to expand, then it means I will need some financial assistance and some technical know-how. So I'm ready, open, waiting for anyone who will come and partner with me because I have that innovative idea. And this is the product. Coconut charcoal briskets. And it is very good, very strong, very hard. You can use it for all your cooking needs. I can assure you that as the world is moving, we also are moving. So I can assure you, the next time I will display how it works to you. That is it. So I thank you for your time.